Set, explode up, wide arm pull up, squat thrust, one clap push up. Good. Next man up, wide arm pull up, good. Squat thrust, clap push up, good. Ready, next man up, wide arm pull up, squat thrust, clap push up. Make sure I hear the clap. Wide arm pull up, squat thrust, now just one, squat thrust, two clap push ups. Good. Yeah, let's do it like that. Ready? Two pull-ups, ready. Exhale one, exhale two, down, two clap push-ups. One, two, coming on up. Two wide arm pull-ups, one, two, squat thrust, two clap push-ups. Good, working three, ready, set, and go. One, two, full extension. Three, drop down. Three, one, two, three, good. Next man up, ready. Three wide arm pull-ups, one, two, full extension, three, good. Three, one, two, nice and low, three, good. Next man up, three, exhale one, exhale two, exhale three, drop down, one, two, three, good. Working four, ready, set, and one. Exhale two, exhale three, exhale four, good. And one, two, three, four. Next man up. Ready, set, and one, two, three, four, good. Drop on in, and one, two, three, four. Keep that body nice and stiff. Good. Ready, set, and one, two, three, four, and one, two, three, four. Good. Working five. Ready, set, and go. And one, two, three, four. Exhale up and five. Good. And one, two, three, four, and five.